Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is weights P and Q are suspended in a vertical plane by strings 1, 2 and 3 arranged as shown in figure. Find the tensions induced in each string if P equal to 500 Newton and Q equal to 1000 Newton. So in this arrangement, strings 1, 2 and 3 are arranged like this. Angle between 2 and 3 is 30 degrees, and at point A, P is suspended downwards. P is given 500 newtons, and at this point, weight Q of 1000 Newton is suspended like this as shown in figure. In this problem, we need to find tensions in 1, 2 and 3. Let us see in the coming slides how to solve this problem. Let us see forces and reactions in this system. So here weight P is acting downwards, and since weight is acting downwards, this side of the string will experience a tension S3 and this side of the string will experience a tension S2, and angle between these two is 30 degrees, that is given in the problem. And this side of the string will experience a tension S1. Since the weight Q is acting downwards and it is over a pulley, and if we neglect friction, so Q will be equal to S1. So from this arrangement we can write Q equal to S1 equal to 1000 Newton, that is 1000 Newton is given in the problem. So let us see free body diagram at point A. So at point A we have P is acting downwards, S1 is acting towards this direction horizontally, S3 is acting towards this direction horizontally, and S2 is acting towards this direction, and angle between S3 and S2 is 30 degrees. Now let us resolve forces along horizontal. So along horizontal, sigma Fx equal to 0. So along horizontal we have S1 acting towards this direction and S3 acting towards this direction, and horizontal component of S2 will be S2 cos 30, that will be acting towards this direction, and since P is acting downwards, it won't have any horizontal component. Now let us see sigma Fx equal to 0. So we get here S3 plus S2 cos 30 minus S1 equal to 0. Let us call that equation 1. Now let us resolve forces along Y. So along Y, sigma Fy equal to 0. Along Y we have vertical component of S2 will be S2 sin 30, and vertical component of P will be P, and it is acting downwards, and vertical component of S2 will be acting towards this direction vertically. So S1 and S3 will not have any vertical components. So from this we get S2 sin 30 equal to P. So from this S2 can be written as S2 equal to P by sin 30. We know that P is 500 given in the problem, divided by sin 30. So sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So we get S2 equal to 1000 Newton. From equation 1, that is S3 plus S2 cos 30 minus S1 equal to 0. So we have found S2 in the previous slide. So let us substitute that in equation 1. We get S3 plus 100 cos 30 minus S3 plus 1000 cos 30 minus 1000 equal to 0. So after simplification we get S3 equal to 134 Newton. So now we found that S1 equal to 1000 Newton, that is equal to Q, and S2 is 1000 Newton and S3 is 134 Newton. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.